What is up, people? This is Taco and welcome to Sailor's Guide. I know I have been missing from the YouTube because I have been busy with my studies. I am doing Chief Pet Phase 1. So I am also doing the studies, and I find that I can help you guys with the rules. As I am also studying, I can refresh my rules also, and I can teach you with that. So I'm going to start with the contents of the ROR in this video. Please be very attentive. If you find that video is very long, please increase the speed up to 1.25 or 1.5x. okay, and in this video I am going to put all the content of the ROR. This is very important because you need to understand the content first, then we can start with rule number 1, 2, 3 and so on, because without the content understanding it will be very messy for you to actually understand the things. So we will start with the content part, and also it is very important as per the orals examination point of view. So we will start with the with the content of the ROR. Okay guys, so ROR has been divided into 6 parts, which is from A to F, and also we have 10 annexes after that. And the first 6 parts I will explain it to you. We have rule from 1 to 41, total rules we have 41 rules, and this has been divided into 6 parts. So the part number 1 is general. It consists of rule number 1 to 3. From rule number 1 to rule number 3, it is known as the part number 1, that is called as general. Also you can call it part A. Then the part B is steering and sailing rules. Okay, the steering and sailing rules is from rule number 4 to rule number 19. Okay, but this part B has been subdivisions, have been divided into 3 parts, which is 1, that is any condition of visibility. Second part is in sight of one another. Third is restricted visibility. Okay, so this steering and sailing rules has been divided into 3 parts. First, any condition of visibility. It means these rules will apply in any condition of visibility with respect to no matter what the visibility is. It is restricted, it is good, no matter what it is, these rules will always apply. So this division has been divided. So this subdivision is as per the visibility conditions. Okay, so from subdivision first we will have 4 to 10. Rule number 4 to rule number 10. These rules will always apply in any condition of visibility. The another one is in sight of one another, means the vessel can be observed from another vessel. It means this definition is also given in rule number 3. You can refer your ROR books if you want to understand it. Also the restricted visibility definition is also given in rule number 3. You can go through your ROR books and find out what it is. Okay, in sight of one another we have from rule number 5 to rule number 18. Okay, in third part restricted visibility only consists rule number 19. That is also known as the restricted visibility rule, which is very important. Well, all are important, but as per the oral points of view. Okay, the C part is lights and shapes, which is from 20 to 30. Okay, so all the lights and shapes which a vessel shall exhibit, a different types of vessel, that is power driven, fishing vessel, anchor vessel, ground vessel, NUC, ram vessels. So there are different vessels, and we have different lights and shapes for them, so that we can identify those vessels by seeing only the lights and the shapes. Okay, shapes are for the day, lights are for the night time. Okay, the next part is sound and light signals. From rule number 31 to 37. Okay, these are the different sounds and light signal a vessel shall exhibit while taking the certain navigation, certain actions. Okay, so I'll explain it later on the videos, and we will go with the content only here. So the E part, we have exemption, which is the fifth part. It consists only rule number 38. Okay, the last part is verification of the compliance of provision of this rule. It consists from rule number 39 to 41. Okay, so this is the latest amendment which has come to these rules. I think it came in rule in 2014. I'm not very sure about the year, but this is the latest amendment which has came into force in these rules. Before that we had only up to E part, but now we have F also. Okay, this is the 6 parts which in which the rules has been divided from rule number 1 to 41. It is all given here. Okay, after that we have also the annexes from 1 to 10. Okay, that we will cover after the rules, because the rules are the most important thing. This is we can do later on. So this is the content of the ROR which you should know by heart, because it is very important as per the point of view of oral examination, and also you must be very thorough with it before starting any rule, before understanding any other. Okay, so it is also easier to understand the different rules, and also easier to remember the rules if you have divided divided and understood what it is. Okay, divided the rules from 1 to 41. Otherwise it looks like a big deal to remember. How you can remember the 41 rules? Well, you have to divide it in your mind, and we can go with part number 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so that is how you can remember it very easily, by dividing it into the different categories. Okay, this is the category. I have not made this category by myself. This has been given into your books also. Please go through it, and also you can go through the video again so that you can understand it very clearly. Also go through your ROR books so that you can so that it comes into your practice. Alright guys, so this is all about the content of the ROR. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and share this video to all your friends so that it can be helpful to them also. Also, I'm going to start with rule number 1 in the next video. So please watch all the videos so that you can understand the rules easily. So that's it for the today guys. This is Abhilash Thakur signing off.